National capital, Delhi continues to struggle with deteriorating air quality as toxic smoke continues to engulf the city, with AQI plummeting to severe category. This smog, worsened by the season's cold signals are deteriorating pollution levels and raises health concerns for residents. The Delhi government has imposed a ban on BS3 petrol and BS4 diesel four-wheelers under graded response action plan to tackle the rising air pollution in the city. The government has also imposed a ₹20,000 fine on violators and stated that they are liable to face prosecution under Section 194(1) of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. The order also stated that there shall be no plying of Delhi registered diesel-operated medium goods vehicles of BS3 standards or below in Delhi except those carrying essential commodities, providing essential services. But this is not something that is new. It happens year after year, and it is people of Delhi that continue to be in the midst of it, and it's the people of Delhi who are struggling when it comes to health issues, and it's been years that we've been seeing that Delhi's pollution continues to worsen. Viewers, I'd like to show the current situation of Delhi's air pollution and what is the real-time air quality situation, the index that is. We're seeing that it's a very severe category. ITI Jahangirpuri, it's in Delhi, it's 681, and we're also seeing, if you can see, that Shahid Sukhdev, and it's this place in Rohini, it's 589. The situation is really bad. It's in the hazardous category, and we are seeing in Mundaka it's 715. That's alarming rates that we are seeing. Then when it comes to Poothgud Bhavana area, it's 627. Meanwhile, there is Punjabi Bagh with 408, and then when it comes to Dwarka, it's 428, and this is somewhere around National Institute of Malaria Research. And then when it comes to RK Puram, we are seeing 472, which is, again, we're seeing all of these numbers that you can see on your screens. They are alarming numbers, and it's a testimony to the fact that air quality of Delhi and the Delhi NCR continues to deteriorate, and it's the run-up to winters only, and we are seeing the numbers at this level. When it comes to in nearby Delhi US Embassy, it's 417. And when it comes to Anand Vihar, which is a very concerning area, we've been seeing, it's 626. And then when it comes to ITI Shahadra, which all of these areas, the East Delhi area in particular, continues to see very deteriorating air quality. When it comes to Loni, Ghaziabad, it's 621. So it's not just Delhi that is getting affected, it's also the nearby areas that are getting affected because of that. And then there is Noida with 267, which is still in the unhealthy category, but not as worse as the areas that you're seeing in the mid of it. These are the areas that are prime hotspots that we are seeing. And there's Mundaka with 715. There's also this Suryanagar with 353. There's also we're seeing that's Noida. When it comes to Noida, in sector 62, it's 374. So all these numbers that you're seeing on your screens, it's Pusa with 338, and when it comes to Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium, it's 416. And when it comes to Srinivas Puri, we're seeing 478. So all these numbers are concerning. They raise an alarming situation that we are seeing, that air quality is really, really bad. Moving on to what is the situation on the ground? What is the reason? One of the reasons that we continue to see is that stubble burning continues unabated. So when we are seeing, this is the situation on 16th November, and this is the situation when it comes to how many fires have taken place, how many stubble burning are taking place in across in the North India specifically. You can see the numbers here in this area, and in this area the stubble burning is on a high number. When it comes to 15th November, this is the situation that you're seeing, and one of the reasons that that Delhi continues to struggle with air pollution is because of the parali burning. And SC has rapped when it comes to the government, when it's Punjab government and Haryana, we're still seeing that when you're seeing all of this, even after all of those efforts, these fires still continue to take place. When you look at the 14th November, this is the situation that parali burning, the fires, these are the visuals of the fire. All of the, as you're seeing, this, all of them are incidences of parali burning taking place. Then this is 13th November, which is considerably less compared to other dates. But what we're seeing is when we saw 16th November, the situation was worse. So it's not something that is reducing. When it comes to 13th November, we were seeing it's less. When you're seeing 12th November, this is the situation on 12th November. And on this major place where parali burning took place, incidences of this level took place. These many incidences of parali burning have been taking place, and it's because of all of this that we are seeing that air quality is worsening. This is the situation when it comes to 11th November, considerably less, but it's still a lot when it comes to the air quality worsening. We're seeing that these are the incidences of parali burning. This is the situation on 10th of November, that parali burning has taken place in these places, and how many numbers are there. So it's a major comparison that you can take a look at that from 16th to 10th November, how many incidences of parali burning have been taking place. And it's one of these reasons the blame game falls on stubble burning, and this is the situation for the last 7 days. So you can see this covers up a major area, major incidences of fire, of parali burning, the stubble burning. That covers up, that's a lot of numbers for parali burning we're seeing. So what we are seeing is something concerning for people of Delhi and people of Delhi and the nearby areas continues to face the situation of deteriorating air quality. I've been living here for more than 6-7 years, and this is something even I've been struggling with. So the air quality continues to worsen, and it will worsen more when the winter starts. This is just a run up to winters that we are seeing, that the situation is like this, that the air quality that I've talked about when it comes to areas like Anand Vihar, which are hotspots, the air quality is really, really bad. And we have with us my colleague Mehendi Garg, she's from India Gate, Gautik Kaushik, and he's from Gurugram, joining us on the telecast. Good morning to both of you for joining us on the telecast. Mehendi, I'll be starting first with you. Mehendi, what is the situation on the ground? And this is something that we have been talking about for a couple of weeks, and the situation we are seeing is the smog worsens. When we wake up in the morning, it's a thick smog that we see, the visibility is low. That is something that, and it's something that affects each one of us. Now GRAP 3 has also been implemented, but what is the situation on the ground? How are people reacting to it, and what are their opinions on the initiatives that are being taken by the Delhi government and the nearby areas?
Well, indeed, Ria, you know, the reasons are many, but the problem is one, because the people of Delhi are facing a lot of problems right now due to air pollution. We are at India Gate right now, and it is covered with a thick layer of smoke. And talking about the air quality index, then it has been observed to be between 350 to 400 as of now in this particular area. We are joined with some people also, and we'll try to understand that what all reasons they think is behind this kind of a situation in the national capital, and also what all problems they are facing due to the increased air pollution right now in the national capital. Sir, are you from Delhi?
Yeah.
Okay, so sir, what problems do you think are happening right now in terms of health also due to the increasing air pollution?
The most common issues that we are facing as a people of Delhi, that like problem of sneezing, heaviness in and around throat, and there is a burning sensation in nose and eyes also. So you just see that it's already 9:30 a.m. and there's so much haze is there that even you cannot see the India Gate clearly from this place. So, but if you go out of Delhi, just Delhi NCR, just say 40 to 50 kilometers outside, you will see clear sky.
Sir, what do you think is the major reason behind it? Do you think Parali is the reason? Vehicular pollution is the reason? What do you think?
It's pollution, basically vehicle pollution, and this see, Parali is a type of activity which is going on from ages and ages. So it is only multiplying our concern in Delhi, but it is not the main problem. Main problem is the itself, because there's so much vehicles is there. You see the total number of vehicles, two-wheelers and four-wheelers, if you count, it is in and around 1.2 CR in Delhi. So, after Diwali, see, crackers is the main common. People say, but all these things are adding up to the main concern of pollution only.
Yeah, there are a lot of reasons that is adding to the problem. Ma'am, where are you from?
I'm from Odisha.
Okay, so what do you think is the difference from in the environment from Odisha to the national capital in Delhi?
Ma'am, when we are just came 5 days back. Okay, we seen all the days here fog is there. I think so many pollution is here because we also seen many vehicles also running here and so much busy road is here. And for that reason, I think pollution is more and more here. And every time I think 2 days today also you've seen so many fog is there till 9 to 9:30 going to 9:30 still so many fog is there.
Ma'am, also you have a kid with you. So is there any problem happening with the kid also? Because due to this air pollution, the elderly and also the young children are facing a lot of breathing issues, coughing issues.
Yeah, it is happen with my kid also, my daughter. And also, in this, if this rate of pollution is going to be increased here, someday it will come. There's so many lungs cancer and other cancer will be happen. And we are working. I'm the founder of GRAP Foundation, basically working for the cancer only. So today also we have a campaign on the breast cancer and cervical cancer. So you see, if we are not control this kind of pollution here, someday it will come, many cancer patient will be detected here only. So I appeal through you to all the people of Delhi, kindly control this pollution and control all the cancer like lungs cancer and other cancer.
And also,
All
yes,
right,
very
Mandy.
rightly said, Ria, because
All right,
according to
Mandy,
the
we
studies
also have
also,
with
we are
us-
breathing 10 to 15 cigarettes per day. Yes.
Yeah, we also have with us Gotik joining in from Gurugram. What is the situation on the ground when it comes to Gurugram? How are the people if you have people around you, what are they facing the issues, and what is the situation on the ground when it comes to the deteriorating air quality?
बिल्कुल अगर गुरुग्राम की बात करें तो इस वक्त जो एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स है वो लगातार बढ़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। इस वक्त गुरुग्राम का जो AQI है वो 365 दर्ज किया गया है और मेरे पीछे आप ये तस्वीरें देख सकते हैं। आसमान में आपको साफ तौर से दिखाई देगा कि जो फॉग की एक मोटी चादर, स्मॉग और फॉग की एक मोटी चादर आपको आसमान में दिखाई देगी। हवा में उड़ती धूल और लगातार बढ़ता प्रदूषण लोगों की जान की आफत बना हुआ है। और आप जहां आपकी नजर जाएगी वहां तक आप देख सकते हैं कि जो पूरे शहर को, गुरुग्राम शहर को प्रदूषण ने अपने आगोश में लिया हुआ है। इस वक्त हमारे साथ कुछ लोग भी यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं जो लगातार इस प्रदूषण को झेल रहे हैं और कुछ ना कुछ जो प्रशासन की बद इंतजामी है उससे परेशान है। सर, लगातार जो है वो प्रदूषण बढ़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है, क्या कहेंगे? क्योंकि AQI लेवल कई इलाकों में 400 के पार पहुंच चुका है और बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है लोगों के लिए। खास
प्रदूषण का मामला वो तो किसी कॉलोनी का नहीं है, पूरे गुड़गांव का मसला है और पूरे देश में ही है। हमारा जो एरिया आता है, जैसे हम लोग पहले कहते हैं पंजाब से, जब ये पराली का टाइम है, किसानों का टाइम है, और तो पराली जलती है तो पूरा पोल्यूशन इस साइड में सारा हरियाणा के अंदर कवर कर लेता है। गवर्नमेंट प्रयास कर रही है। पराली हरियाणा में हम लोगों ने देखा, जान जलाने का तो बैन लगा दिया, इंस्ट्रूमेंट भी नए नए आ गए और पराली को खरीदने का काम भी सरकार ने कर दिया। बट जो साफ सफाई का काम है वो प्रशासन को ध्यान देना पड़ेगा। नई सरकार हमारी तीसरी बार की सरकार है, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री बिल्कुल स्टिक है इस मामले में। आदरणीय राव नरवीर जी मंत्री हैं, वो भी बहुत स्टिक है, उन तक बात पहुंचा दी हमने और मुझे लगता है हम उनको मिलने वाले हैं। और इस जहां तक हमारा सवाल है कि हम इस एरिया को, मैं तो सब लोगों से अपील करता हूँ कि अपनी अपनी सोसाइटी के आसपास के एरिया को साफ रखें।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.